When the heat pushes harder, the VARIANT-36 pushes back. Engineered for industrial-grade performance, this portable evaporative cooler delivers massive 18,800 cubic feet per minute airflow, capable of cooling spaces up to 5,100 square feet with relentless efficiency. At its core is a direct-drive EC German motor with precision variable speed control, eliminating belts, reducing maintenance, and maximizing performance. Its rugged rotomolded antibacterial housing is reinforced with a galvanized steel exoskeleton frame, built for superior structural integrity in the harshest environments. Advanced PAG impeller technology and an aviation-grade aluminum fan hub combine to deliver powerful, consistent cooling where it matters most. The VARIANT-36 is built to perform. This isn't just an evaporative cooler. It's industrial cooling, re-engineered.